Amazing guys to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe. Long time I don't give you a recipe like this. I have some frozen strawberry and blueberry and blackberry, which I'm going to be making a simple smoothie from it, guys. These are just frozen stuff, but I'm gonna put a little tweet towards it that you guys will definitely like it. So please enjoy the recipe and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time with the best recipe. Few ingredients right here. It's not a lot of stuff, it's just a few stuff. We have roughly a glass of frozen strawberry, blackberry and blueberry. Alright, so I just pour them straight inside of this glass right here, and I have a glass of milk. Yeah, perfect. Also I have some milk chocolate, which I'm going to be put roughly about 2 tablespoons of it inside of it. That's definitely gonna bring in a lovely flavor also to it. So everything here is just frozen. So if it's leaking, no leak. Put it on a blender and blend it like this. Alright, if it is, I'll have to just give it a good little shake. Give it a shake again. Nice one. So, you don't want to over blend it too much. You just want to have a quick, nice, lovely blend towards it. So that's finished, and all we're going to do now is remove the lid and all I'm gonna do is this. Very nice and simple. All right, look at that. And then we're gonna do simple. This is just some thin cream, sweet dairy cream, which I've been using, so it's pretty good to go. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right there, guys. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Got a lot more recipes.